Okay, I've gone into your accounts and I've started to set up the accounts with the 90-day or quarterly people, the weekly people, and I've set up their frequency for service, and it's automatically now entered into the calendar. So if I pick this person here, and if I do account review on them, you'll see their name and address. You'll see that they're quarterly and when the next service date is. If you wanted to see what their schedule was, their little folder symbol here, if you click on it, you can see when they're scheduled for their next appointment. For the quarterly people, I took the first Monday of the month and put it there because I know you're going to do a call list. So the standard charges holds the services for the account and the starting date and frequency, and then when you hit OK, it automatically puts it into the calendar. Here's also where you would put the price in for that service. But in your case, you're going to call up the people before the appointments at the beginning of the month for each type of service. So in order to do that, I can go into routes and I can say print route from calendar schedule. I'll pick the first of the month in February. Now, I could put the code in here. Like if I put a 103, I can hit this little information thing to get to my code symbol. So 103 is a weekly service. Or if it's a quarterly service, it's a 101. So I can just put in 101. And then I'm going to get all the people that have quarterly service. It's asking me if I want to list them. If they have no price, I'm going to say yes. And this is going to list all the people who have a quarterly service starting on February 3rd. Let's see what it comes up with. I may have started those quarterly people on January 1st. Okay, so I found 348 people, and I'm printing it in style number 17, which is the listing. So it's going to run through this, and this produces a call sheet. So it shows the customer's name, last date of service, the appointment time, which again you'll be working out with the customer, the type of service, in this case it's weekly service, and so on. Now you could also save this to a PDF instead of printing it, or whatever you choose to do. But that's how you can get the call list. So these are all now listed in the calendar. So if you go to calendar, you have two views of the calendar. This one here is a Outlook type of view where it shows all the people on a given day. So if I pick the 6th, you can see that we have a lot of people. There's actually too many people to actually visualize here because they're all jammed in on that first. Let me just go to a 5-day view. Yeah, they're all packed in here to 9 a.m. So it's not really going to give you. Let's see if I can. You see how they're all packed in here. So if you want to see it in a more clean view and something that you can alter easily, you can go into Schedule to be done. This will open up and present to you. So I can just click on the day again, the 6th. So it's finding 348 people on the 6th. You can go in here and alter the date as you're moving through it for the people for when they really are going to be done. Or if you don't want to bother with that, you can simply just print out the tickets for that day and then assign them to the technicians as you see fit. But the choice is really yours. So this shows you in a grid format each customer from that listing.